Figured I'd give you guys a quick update. This has been the sequence of events. Right now, we're gonna clean up this bilge again, where I've been walking all over it. It's disgusting. So you can kind of see, I already done that side before I set the engine in there. But what we did was we had those motor mounts made, of course. Sure, if you all follow our Facebook page, then you'll see how that was done and the whole process there. But basically, we set this engine in, the starboard side, aligned it, marked the holes, so it's all lined up, ready to go. This one, and then we took this one back out and drilled the holes, and then also used these holes as a template to make the holes in the mounts on that side, and went ahead and drilled all those so we wouldn't have to pull this engine back out again. So this engine's in there for good. It's why on the Y pipe and everything. It's not bolted up yet, but it's sitting in there. And we're gonna clean this bilge, and then this one's ready to set in. So long journey to get to here, but we're close to having the heavy lifting done. Thanks for following along, guys. We still got a lot of stuff to do, though. Little nitpicky shit. I hate this ladder, by the way. It's the bane of my existence.